In this video, I will be showing you how to set up a Dropbox account. Before I start, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to never miss out on any of my future videos. This will help me a lot. Thank you. With that all out of the way, let's get started. The first step that we are going to do is go to google.com. The second step is you're going to search in the URL, which is right here, Dropbox login. Press enter. It's going to be the first one right here, login/Dropbox. You're going to click it. You're going to wait for it to load. The next step is we're going to go to create an account, which is right here. You're going to click it. Then fill in all the information that's right here. First name, last name, email, password. Or if you have a Google account, sign up with Google. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click my account, have it load. Next step is I'm going to press allow. It's going to log me in. You're going to press agree. And you're going to press sign up. Okay. Alright, the next step is you're going to go into Dropboxcom. Don't mind this. Because they're trying to make you purchase Dropbox Plus or Dropbox Business, which we're not going to do. So now, the next step is we're going to go to Dropbox login. We're going to click it. It's going to log us in automatically, or if not, you just answer a couple questions. And yeah, just like that, you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you create a Dropbox account. Don't forget to smash a like to this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to never miss out on any of my future videos. Please kindly provide your feedback in the comment section below. This will help me improve. Thank you.